5L series suspended husk burner. Presently, there is 4 models for customer option: 5L70S, 5L70 Plus, 5L130, and 5L200. The husk is the main fuel for this burner, and the husk will storage at the husk silo automatically by the feeding motor. The husk will spread into the burner quickly. The husk will be fully suspended and burned by the homogenization system and aeration system. The high temperature smoke will get into the exchanger, and the clean hot air will exchange into the drying layer. The high temperature smoke will pass the heat exchanger and separate it in the cyclone, and smoke particle will fall down and clean smoke will pass out through the chimney. 5L series suspended hot blast stove has the following 6 characteristics: suspension combustion technology on the national invention patent, fuel combustion more fully. The heat utilization rate is high. 100% refractory filling technology greatly extend the service life of the product. The average service life of 8 to 10 years. Atmosphere design, safe and reliable. Pneumatic heat exchange technology to provide clean heat source for grain drying. One-button operation, simple and convenient. High degree of automation, feeding, ash, temperature control to achieve full automation without full care.